great view and a great morning, right? So, a very hearty good morning to all my viewers. You're watching Mahi Fitness. I am your host Mahin. Let's roll the intro.
I
To
am
discuss
here.
with you all about two different physical fitness tests. The first one would be Cooper 12-minute run and walk test, and the second one would be bent knee sit-ups. Maybe you have heard about bent knee sit-ups. So today we are primarily focusing on Cooper 12-minute run and walk test. First of all, I'd like to discuss a brief history about it, but don't worry, I'm not going to bore you. From the name, it suggests that it had been invented by Kenneth D. Cooper in 1968 for US military personnel. This particular test is being designed to tell that how much a US military personnel can run in 12 minutes, how much maximum distance can he or she covers. As we all know that each and every place doesn't have a marked 400-meter track. So to alter it, he has also given a alternate option, and that is 1.5-mile test. So today we are going to demonstrate and administrate this particular test known as Cooper 12-minute run and walk test. But yes, let's be professional. We can't shoot this particular test out here in this location and in this outfit. So let's meet in the ground. Welcome back, and finally we are here at the ground to perform and administrate this test of Cooper. इस टेस्ट को परफॉर्म करने के लिए हमें कुछ बेसिक इक्विपमेंट्स की ज़रूरत पड़ेगी, जैसे कि मार्कर, मार्किंग टेप, स्कोर शीट, एक स्टॉप वॉच और असिस्टेंट। जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं कि मेरे पास एक वेल रिनाउंड मार्क स्पोर्ट्स ग्राउंड नहीं है, तो उसके लिए मैंने क्या किया है कि मैंने एक 50 मीटर का ट्रैक बनाया है, जिससे मैंने फोन्स की मदद से हर 10 मीटर में एक फोन लगाया है, जिससे मेरे पास टोटल 50 मीटर्स का एक डिस्टेंस आ गया है। अब मैं इन 50 मीटर्स में 12 मिनट तक रनिंग करूंगा, इनके लैप्स लूंगा, जिससे ये बहुत इजी हो जाएगा एट लास्ट मेरे लिए कि मैं अपनी मैक्सिमम डिस्टेंस को इजीली मेजर कर सकूं। अगर यही चीज़ मैं 400 मीटर ट्रैक करता तो वहाँ मुझे ज़्यादा मार्किंग की और ज़्यादा इक्विपमेंट्स की ज़रूरत पड़ती। सो आई हैव एन ऐप इन माई फोन विच कैन ईजिली टेल मी कि मैंने 12 मिनट्स में कितना डिस्टेंस कवर किया है, तो ये मेरी टेस्ट की एक्यूरेसी को और बढ़ा देता है। ऊपर का ये टेस्ट हम एक और वे से कर सकते हैं, हम ये सेम टेस्ट ट्रेडमिल पे भी परफॉर्म कर सकते हैं, जिससे कि क्या होगा कि हमें सिर्फ 12 मिनट्स का एक स्टॉप वॉच लगाना पड़ेगा और ट्रेडमिल इज गोइंग टू टेल अस द मैक्सिमम डिस्टेंस विच वी हैव कवर्ड इन 12 मिनट्स। सो विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी टाइम, लेट्स स्टार्ट दिस टेस्ट। तो आई एम गोइंग टू स्टार्ट माई कूपर टेस्ट। यहाँ पर मैं जैसे ही स्टार्ट बटन दबाऊंगा, ये स्टार्ट कर देगी मेरी डिस्टेंस ट्रैकिंग को, और साथ ही साथ मैंने अपना 12 मिनट्स का जो स्टॉप वॉच है वो मेरा असिस्टेंट उसको देख रहा है, वो चालू कर देगा उसे साथ में ही। तो विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी टाइम, लेट्स स्टार्ट दिस टेस्ट। सेफ्टी फर्स्ट, कोरोना चल रहा है इसलिए स्टार्ट।
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing.
Not be
Never
showing
give
the
up,
full
never slow
12
till I
minutes
finally prove
performed
it.
by
Never
me
listen
in
to
this
the
test,
no's, I just
because
wanna
it
keep
will
moving.
make the
Keep my
video
head up when
boring
I
and
act,
lengthy
never
for you.
get up, that's a fact.
So I
Never
tried
looking
to pick
back,
up
I'ma keep
hotspots
myself
of
on
tests
track. Keep my
at
head up, staying
start,
strong.
in the
Always
middle,
moving
and
on
at the
till
last.
I don't belong. Tell my thoughts to move along. Push myself to be the best. Die with no regrets. Live with every breath. See my message start to spread, and I had so many dreams.
As
When
you
you hit
can
your
see,
teens, life ain't
I
really
had
what it
started
seems. Try to
at a
find out
gradual
what it
pace
means.
so
Always do
that
it on
my
my own,
body
so I
can
gotta
easily
get through it.
adapt to
And
the
the only
sudden
thing I
change.
know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just
With
being
the passage
genuine.
of
Yeah, I'm sick
time,
of
I
being screwed.
increased
Feel my
my
own
pace so
adrenaline.
that
Yeah, I do
I
this so
can
that you
cover
can. I
the
hope you let
maximum
me in,
distance
let me
in
in.
12
Yeah.
minutes.
As you can see, after 6 to 8 minutes, fatigue started to build up and make it more hard for me to run and continue the 12-minute Cooper run and walk test. But try to keep your pace constant and motivation high.
I ain't never done. I'll be number one. Working hella hard until I get just what I want. Yeah, rises like the
At last
sun.
few
Yeah,
seconds
fatal like a
remaining,
gun.
I am
Shooters
trying
gonna
to
shoot and I'ma
accelerate
shoot until
as
it
much as
falls.
I
Do it
can to
all. So
cover
I gotta
more
get through
and
it.
more
And I'll
distance
never give up,
and
never
make
slow till
my
I
score
finally
more
prove it. Never listen
attractive
to the no's.
and
I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put
efficient.
out all this art. It's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed. Feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I
Don't forget to just breathe in and breathe out. 12 minutes up. So according to this 12 minutes, I have covered 2.67 kilometers. So I'm going to tell you next how to score this. With the given formula, you can easily calculate the scores and tally with this table to get the results. So once again, good morning guys. After Cooper 12-minute run and walk test, today we are going to perform our next test, and that is sit-up test. So for this test, you didn't need any kind of specific equipments. Rather, you just need one assistant and a stopwatch. So in this test, I'll be taking the help of my assistant Varun. So I like to call him. He's my friend Varun, and he's going to help me in this test. So I'm going to perform this test in this test, and the maximum sit-up would be counted as my score. So Varun is there with the stopwatch, and he will be looking out the time, and he will also count my sit-ups. So without wasting any time, let's start the test. Bye. This is basically performed to check the muscular endurance of your abdominal area. This is the chart by which you can check the score of females as well as the males. So I hope you understand the procedure of demonstration and administration of this test, and if you find this video useful for you, it would be a great pleasure for me. So once again, I'd like to thank you all for joining me in this video, and we'll meet in the next video. Thank you and have a nice day.